Hello, beautiful ladies and girls. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Beautiful ladies and girls, if you want a haircut that looks runway ready the second you step out of the shower, welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I explore the best low maintenance short hairstyle designed for a true style and go routine. If you want to eliminate heat tools out down the your morning routine and looks instantly chic. These lookbook ideas are for you, so let's jump in. First up is the French crop. This ultra practical haircut features short texture layers on top paired with a soft natural fringe. Because the layers fall forward naturally, you don't need a blow dry or flat iron. Just towel dry your hair, apply a teeny dab of lightweight cream to define the texture, and you are ready to walk out the door. Next is the undercut pixie. By removing bulk from the sides and nape of your neck, this cut eliminates frizz and bedhead completely. All the focus remains on your soft top layers. It's light, incredibly cool during warm weather and keeps its sharp shape for weeks without needing contrast adjustment. Low maintenance short hair is all about freeing up your time while keeping your style on point. Which of these quick styles fit your routine best? Tell me know in the comments and click the like button if you love easy hair ideas, and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget, please press the bell icon for more new short hair inspiration. So beautiful ladies and girls, I'll see you in the next one with new trendy ideas of short hairstyle, haircut, hair dye. Take care and bye bye.